Today we have an exciting topic for you: social media marketing. In this video, we will be explaining what social media marketing is and how you can make a living from it. So if you're an individual looking to make money online, stick around till the end of the video because you don't want to miss this. What is social media marketing? Social media marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves using social media platforms to connect with your target audience, build brand awareness, promote products or services, and achieve various marketing goals. It's a powerful approach that leverages the popularity and reach of social media platforms to engage with potential customers and create a strong online presence. Making money with social media marketing. Making money with social media marketing involves leveraging your social media presence to create revenue streams. Here are some strategies to consider. Building your personal brand. Start by establishing a strong personal brand on your chosen social media platforms. This means defining your niche, your unique value, and your voice. Maximize engagement. Engage with your audience regularly. A loyal, engaged following is more likely to convert. This will make your audience actually interested with your content, allowing for you to give them a reason to keep coming back. Analyze data and metrics. Use analytics tools to understand your audience and the performance of your content. Monitor key metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and audience demographics to make informed decisions. Consistency and patience. Building a profitable social media presence takes time. Consistency in content creation and patience are key. Don't ever give up or lose confidence in what you're doing, as these huge brands don't grow overnight. Companies are able to hire you to become their social media marketer. This means that you will have a job within the company of being the head of leading all of the social media accounts linked with the company, meaning that you will have the responsibility of managing as well as posting on the different social media platforms. You can apply for this role in a company by providing the company previous work that you have done with social media marketing. Remember that making money through social media marketing takes time and dedication. It often starts as a side venture and grows over time. Building a loyal, engaged following and continuously delivering value are key to long-term success in this field. Be transparent, ethical, and authentic in your approach, as trust and credibility are essential for lasting success in social media marketing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are interested in online businesses. And as always, subscribe for more insightful content on the world of online businesses. Thanks for watching, and comment your thoughts on social media marketing.